Imagine a crypto game that doesn't require you to farm or stake. Just tap on a grid, uncover gems, and earn tokens. That's exactly what MineD is, a tap-to-earn mining simulator built for simplicity and fun. At the heart of MineD is the DIGI token, a real token that powers the ecosystem, upgrades, and gameplay. Today, we're breaking down how MineD works, why DIGI matters, and whether this GameFi project could be something more than just clicking. MineD is built as a Telegram mini app, making it super accessible. No huge downloads, just quick access, tap, and play. The project aims to bring Web3 to casual users by merging simple gameplay with real token rewards. Their economy is designed for long-term engagement. You don't just tap, you strategize. And they use AI to enhance the experience, tailoring your challenges based on your behavior. The core gameplay runs on a 5x5 grid, 25 tiles. Each tile requires a number of taps to reveal what's underneath. Hidden beneath are digital gems and points. When you clear all tiles, a new board appears. So it's continuous. You earn Digi tokens by tapping and uncovering these gems. What can you do with Digi? Upgrade your mining tools. Faster tap speeds, better yields. Access premium features or special event boards. Participate in seasonal events and compete or play cooperatively. According to CoinMarketCap, Digi has a max supply of 100 billion tokens. Circulating supply is currently 0 on CMC, likely because the token is newly launching or still being distributed via gameplay. The design is meant to reward active players over time, not just early investors. Why MineD and Digi could be compelling. Very low barrier to entry. Since it's a Telegram mini app, even non-crypto users can start tapping and earning. Strategic gameplay. It's not just mindless tapping. The 5x5 grid and tool upgrades add strategy. Real token utility. Digi isn't just for show. You use it to upgrade, unlock more, and participate in events. Sustainable economy. The model is user engagement focused, not purely speculative. AI integration. AI helps tailor the game experience. More personalized challenge, smarter rewards, risks to be aware of. New project risk. It's a new ecosystem. Token distribution, adoption, and liquidity are still uncertain. Token inflation. Supply. Risk. With 100 B max supply, emissions must be managed carefully to avoid oversupply. User retention risk. If gameplay gets repetitive, users may drop off, hurting token demand. Regulatory risk. GameFi projects bridging Web3 and gaming could face regulation in different jurisdictions. Things to watch. When and where Digi starts trading, listings. Liquidity on chains like Solana or others. How deep are the pools? Updates to the game. New mining boards, tool upgrades, AI features. Tokenomics changes. Will they introduce staking, governance, or more utility? So that's MineD and the Digi token. A lightweight, fun GameFi mining simulator that rewards you just for tapping and playing. If you want to dip your toes into Web3 with minimal friction and real token utility, this could be a very interesting project to follow. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Zenda, and comment below. Would you play a mining game to earn crypto daily? Until next time, stay curious, Keep mining and build your crypto legacy.